Okay, today is the day after the storm. The sun is up. The wind is not blowing the way it was. And we have to dig out. My car is sitting right over there, right in front of us, but you can't see it because the snow's got it all covered up. I'm betting with that sunlight there's some mighty pretty pictures out there if you could see them. What I'm going to do is go out the back door, try to work my way around to the Jeep, and try to put some chains on the Jeep. I'm going to be taking a shovel with me, and hopefully with the chains I can get enough snow moved around where we can get the cars uncovered and get to the garage. I've got several old Chevrolet small block heads in the garage, and I'm putting them back in the Jeep for weight, so that's kind of what I'm shooting for. But what I would do is come out this way, and I believe I can get over to around the barn through a passage that the air, see the wind was blowing things around in drifts, so you can see bare ground there. But you can also see that my little camper trailer, tent trailer over there is about covered up. Here's the Volkswagen. It's almost completely covered up. And what I'm doing is just working my way up through here like I did yesterday up beside the boat in order to try to get back to where the Jeep is. Glad I got all this set up. Yep, that was me falling down. But I can get to the truck, which is where the chains are, so that's good. Oh, and it looks like my neighbor pushed out a spot in front of my Jeep last night, so that's good too. In fact, I bet I could move that Jeep right now without the chains the way he's got it pushed out. Guess I might still wish for him. But yeah, let's see if we can get him out in the open. This is deep. Right. Let's see if I can get the Jeep to move. Plus the wind. One thing I noticed yesterday, when the wind howled around things, it would tend to kind of dig that powdery snow away from it. I was thinking the wind might blow some of that snow away from the Jeep this morning. So, alright, let's see. This thing. Alright, that's a good start. Okay, I've got the Jeep running. Okay, I'm going back to plan A, which is to go get the chains and put them on the Jeep. I'll take y'all with me.